In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate long YouTube 16.9 videos using Grok AI. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can go from idea to a fully fleshed out long form video plan in minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. A reliable connection helps, and if you're prompted to sign in, just do that so your chat can save. Once the site loads, you'll see navigation options. What you want is the chat interface. Click Chat to open a fresh conversation window. This is where everything happens, so give yourself a clear, distraction-free space to work. Now, type your prompt. The key to getting a great long YouTube video plan is being specific. Tell Grok your topic, your target runtime, and that you want it designed for a 16.9 YouTube video. Ask for a structured outline with sections, timestamps, hooks, and smooth transitions. If you want on-screen text, B-roll suggestions, graphics, or callouts, include that. If you care about tone, educational, documentary, friendly, or high energy, say so. For example, you might write something like, create a 20-30-minute YouTube script in 16.9 format on your topic. Include a cold open hook, a concise intro, 5 to 7 chapters with estimated timestamps, on-screen text that stays within safe title areas, B-roll descriptions, lower third moments, and a summary plus call to action. Write in a clear conversational voice. You can also request chapter titles, SEO-friendly descriptions, and thumbnail text, all within the same prompt, so the output arrives organized for YouTube publishing. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit or press Enter. Give it a moment to generate. As the response comes in, scan for structure. Are the chapters the right length? Does the pacing fit your target runtime? And does it clearly reference 16:09 visuals? If it's too short, tell Grok to expand each chapter and aim for your preferred duration. If any part feels thin, ask for more examples, stats placeholders, or deeper explanations. You can request a shot list that pairs each talking point with suggested B-roll, or ask for on-screen text that stays concise and readable. If the reply cuts off, simply say, continue, and it will pick up where it left off. That's the full flow. Go to Grok, open chat, craft a detailed prompt that spells out length and 16.9 needs, and submit. Iterate right in the same chat until the script matches your goals. With clear instructions, Grok will deliver a long-form YouTube-ready plan you can take straight into production.